guess, this work zone, I bet you nothing even happened. It just says work zone 55 miles an hour. So like people are probably just looking at other people working in the zone. All right, so we're on our way to a 3rd gen 4runner member's house. I believe it's a house or a shop or something like that, to buy and install a Sherpa roof rack. It's not something I had in the works at all. Just kind of a deal popped up. And I've been wanting to, since I've last went camping, have a place to put my wheels, like that are right behind me right now, and maybe even my wheelchair. And I don't know if you guys can hear the rattle of my solar panel right now in the little roof rack, but it's super annoying, especially if you're off-road. So having said that, a deal popped up on a Sherpa. I forget what the model is. It's like a, starts with the M. Can't remember. But anyway, it's a full, so they make two, I believe they make 2 styles. They make a 3/4 roof rack and a full size. This is a full size because I've been wanting to put my light bar up there. I'm really looking forward to it. And the guy said he'd be nice enough to install it for me, which is really cool of him to do. It's been raining past 2 days in SoCal, as well, seems like it's been raining past 2 months non-stop, but it's all good. Looking forward to this. Yeah. So we'll see you guys there then. Stormy day here in SoCal. Lots of crazy drivers. Lots of greenery. I've never seen, look at this. I've never seen Cali this green. All the hills are green. Everything. Amazing. I love it. All right, so this is for my YouTube channel. I won't get your face in there.
No, you're good. You can get my face in there.
You sure?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, so I'm over here at my buddy Alex's house. And he's from the 3rd gen 4runner group, and he's doing a Sherpa roof rack that I've been wanting to get for a while. Wasn't really in the works, but an opportunity came up, so I said, yeah, why not? So we got my old roof rack down, and I'm probably gonna take it apart really quick so I don't have to drive it home all, you know, put together. Right now he's helping me take off the solar panel and get the factory bars down, and then we're gonna put the Sherpa on it. He's got a nice hoist. It makes it a lot easier to do the install.
Yeah, so putting this on is like a breeze.
Yeah, it's a go fast.
But yeah, I'm definitely going to a trailer.
Yeah.
The rooftop tent light, it's cool, but having it up there all the time, killing your gas mileage.
Yeah.
Just.
Does it slow down your rig and all that when you're wheeling? Is it like you could feel the weight? No, not really.
It wasn't super noticeable.
Okay. So it's mostly just space?
You had to take these off.
Sure.
To get that out, so I'll probably leave that with you.
Okay.
You can glue it back on later.
Okay.
I don't have any silicone.
Okay,
stuff.
no problem.
And I got like 4 of these
okay.
new on eBay.
Okay.
Like $15.
Cool.
Because they have an eye on it that bolts through.
Okay. Right on.
And it looks like that snapped off at one point.
Yeah. Okay.
And you got your T-nuts, that's good.
I haven't been up there. I don't really know much about the roof racks. I had my neighbor install that one for me. I read that it, you know, goes right on the factory's bars, so.
Yeah, the Prinsu is the one where you take them off and it goes into those holes.
I see.
But yeah, I like the design. I think it's pretty cool.
We're just installing this rack. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the roof rack. This is the Sherpa roof rack that I'm getting from him. Super cool. They're really expensive. but from the looks of it,
Good quality product.
from the quality and all the reviews, like I heard nothing but good stuff about it, so might as well get it. Can I help anyway?
Good. I'm just gonna hook the chain up to the hoist.
Okay. Just lift the whole thing up.
Yeah, just lift the whole thing. Probably gonna go grab the straps. That's actually pretty good. That's actually really good.
Yeah. This thing's badass.
Yeah, this is how we get the grapes into the press. Way overkill, but it works.
Yeah, that's pretty sick. There we go. I had it on super view. It was like way too wide.
Is that the 8 or the 9?
8. Yeah, it's an 8.
I have the 8 too.
I like the stabilization on it. I use Sony and Fuji for my professional work,
Oh, okay.
but for vlogging and this kind of stuff.
Have you tried the Canon M50? That's what I have.
Yeah, they're good cameras.
I freaking love that camera.
It's a really good
I
camera.
have Sigma lenses for it too.
Okay.
1.4 aperture.
Mhm.
It's a good setup.
Oh yeah. So you're all ready to do your channel then?
Yeah, right?
Cool. This is so rad.
It's nice for doing stuff by yourself.
Oh yeah. I just hook my whole wheelchair up to that thing, pick my damn, just have like a little, like a triangulated thing above my head, and it could pick me up over the...
Alright, you wanna hang on to that?
Yeah.
And you can tell me when to stop.
Okay. Keep going. About right there, maybe a little more. Yeah. I could like slowly lower it as you grab it. I hope I don't screw this up.
Go for it.
Slower, like,
You can go.
yeah.
Yeah, you're more than good. There it is.
Sweet. Dude, that looks dope.
Popped right in there. Alright, go ahead and go all the way down. You can trolley it over that way. Go south.
South. Oh, okay. I was wondering what that was for. Sick. Man, now I want one of these.
Yeah.
For like 20 grand or more. Is that cool right there?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay. Oh, dude, yeah. It looks so much better that way, too. All right, well, we're all done. Alex did an awesome job installing it. Looks great. It's raining. I'm gonna get out of here and I'll finish the video later when I do the solar panel. They recommended these tacos called Aztec tacos, and I had to try them. A couple of locals told me this is the best place in town. I'm in Temecula. Never, well, not that I've never been here, I just haven't been here in a long time. Let's see how good these tacos are. Woo! Look at that. Damn, that looks good. Alright, so we got the roof rack put on. I really like it. Like, I like it a lot. I was kind of be honest, I was a little back and forth. Like, do I want it? Do I not? He even gave me like, this is the old roof rack. I took it apart. He even gave me like 2 crossbars, extra ones. So now I just have to, right now my solar panel is just zip tied. I have to properly mount it when I get home. And then, yeah. That's about it. Let's try these tacos. They look delicious, man. I was gonna get a pizza, but he said they come with mushrooms. I never had tacos with mushrooms. They weren't kidding. Wow. That is good. That is really good. All right, I'm gonna eat. I went to O'Reilly's, got some oil. We were low on oil. I top that off, then drive all the way back to San Diego. All right, well, I'm driving home now. I ate my tacos and the roof rack is on. Now you guys see the bars right there. So this one has to be here because of the feet. There's like feet that go to the roof right there. So this bar you can't move. He put the one behind it so I could take my wheels and put them up there, and they like lock in now. It's amazing. And then I could put a bunch of junk, like I could put a bag or all sorts of stuff behind the fairing here, right there, and it'll literally stay there. And then I could just attach it with like some kind of quick release. I'll figure out some leather strap maybe, or even a Velcro or whatever to this. So I could just have a couple of bags up there, whatever. I could put things like right there. Man, at first I was like, oh, I don't know if I'll be able to use a roof rack because, you know, I'm in a wheelchair. But now it's like, oh yeah, this is like, I should have got a full-length roof rack a long time ago because it's amazing. I don't know how to mount the solar panel just yet. We just kind of zip tied it up there. That's pretty much the only issue right now. But Alex was such a good guy. Really nice guy, really cool, took care of me. Just a genuinely good person, you could tell. Really went above and beyond to just make sure I was well taken care of. I felt very welcome at his place, and stuff like he even put Loctite in there, like really took his time and did it right and went above and beyond. I'm so grateful to know people like him, and to have finally met another person with a 3rd gen 4runner that's super cool that I'd like to go wheeling with. I think this will be it for this video. I may include the solar panel reinstallation to see. He told me to get some T-nuts from Sherpa, so I'll probably just get those to do it the right way. Otherwise, I have 2 extra bars in the back. I think I have an idea what I can do. I think if you just took like a certain bolt, I believe the head will slide right in between the 2 notches, and I think that should be, pretty sure that should be plenty strong to hold the damn thing to, like 4 of those will be plenty strong to hold it to the bars.
In a quarter mile, use the left lane to stay on Temecula Parkway.
If metal zip ties are able to hold it, then yeah, I'm pretty sure the bolts will too. I was gonna shoot back so I can pick up a fuel filter and an air filter and an O2 sensor for this thing, because my gas mileage has been kind of shit lately. So I'm just trying to see what's causing it. But then maybe it hasn't been shit. Maybe the type of driving I've been doing has been shit. Because I haven't been doing any highway driving, only like off-roading in city streets. So right now I'm getting pretty good mileage, but maybe, I don't know. But either way, I gotta pick up parts, and I'm not making it on time. Oh, look at that 4runner. That one's dope. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like some gunmetal color, I guess, 5th gen. Thing's badass. Definitely looks like it's on at least 285s and like a 3-inch lift. But yeah. Alright, well, I'll be getting on the highway here shortly. Catch you guys later. Alright, so the way we're doing it, my neighbor figured it out. he said drill some holes from the side right there. And I went to Lowe's and I got these carriage bolts. They're called carriage bolts, a 1/4, 20 by 1 inch, and they fit perfectly in these slots, and they don't rotate because they have a bolt in there or a little nut built in, so it's fixed. So you can mount anything you want to Sherpa roof racks rails using these carriage bolts. So what we did is we mounted the solar panel in between 2 of them, and then now the 2 are going to go up there and it's going to be good to go. So we'll show you guys after we install.
So this side is done.
I'll go get the I'm going to check to see if it's charging, and then I'll get the zip ties. Yeah, we're getting 16.7 volts. Charging at 3 amps. Amazing.
Okay.
So right here, we have a controller. It's charging at 2.6 amps. Right now the battery is at 14.5. And in the solar panel, we're not using any amperage, and then the solar panel is putting out, the next voltage should be 16 something, 16.9, 17 now.
See, just like this.